Hello and welcome to our software tutorial series. This tutorial will go through how to enter the retirement savings contribution credit in the tax preparation software. After you complete this tutorial, you should be able to enter the retirement savings contribution credit in the tax preparation software. Complete Form 8880, Credit for Qualified Retirement Savings Contributions, to figure the amount of the credit. This form adds all contributions made during the year and subtracts the required reductions. Then the tentative credit is figured by multiplying the eligible contributions by the appropriate percentage. The software calculates this form automatically if any eligible contributions are entered on Form W-2 or the IRA contributions worksheet. Even if the taxpayer has eligible contributions, the software does not calculate Form 8880 if the taxpayer's situation disqualifies him or her from claiming the credit. Taxpayers cannot claim the credit if the adjusted gross income is over certain limits. The limits are $56,500 for married filing jointly, $42,375 for head of household, and $28,250 for all other filing statuses for the 2011 tax year. Taxpayers also cannot claim the credit if they were born after January 1st, 1994, are claimed as a dependent on another person's return for the year, or were a full-time student for the year. Otherwise, the software calculates this credit as shown in the instructions for the form. The taxpayer in our example has an adjusted gross income of $25,000, contributed $750 to a 401k plan sponsored by their employer during the tax year. They are 32 years old, single, do not go to school, and are not claimed as a dependent on another person's return. They have no credit other than the retirement savings contribution credit. In the previous tax year, she canceled her Roth individual retirement arrangement and withdrew the funds that were available. The amount of the distribution was $200. On the taxpayer's W-2, we will need to scroll down and then, on box 12, enter D in the code column. From here, we will enter $750 in the amount column. Once this amount is entered, Form 8880 is added to the forms tree, so we will click on the link to go to that form. At the top of the form, select the No checkbox for the question, was the taxpayer a full-time student in 2011? The amount of elective deferrals from Jill's 401k plan calculates to line 2. We will now need to scroll down and on line 4, enter $200 in the 2011 distribution field. The software now calculates the remainder of the form to figure the credit for the taxpayer. This information carries to line 50 of 1040 page 2. In this tutorial, you learned how to claim the retirement savings contribution credit in the tax preparation software. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.